Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the login manager of AntiX Linux. So you have to open the AntiX control center, go to session and then click on login manager. Input your root password. And here you can set the default user, who will be the default user. You can set the auto login features. You can enable the numeric lock at login. You can select the theme. So there are many themes given here. You can select any one of the theme for the login manager. You can test the themes. You can see this is the login manager theme that is default. Then you can change also. So what I will do is so I have to shut this off. Okay. We will change it to AntiX. Let us apply. Let us check out the theme. So I think there is no change right now. It has again gone back to the default theme. Then let me hit okay. I got it. You have to close it from here. Okay. Now we will just apply. Okay, so applying is also not possible right now. But the change has been applied, and maybe in the next boot I will see that change background. Okay. So what we can do is we will just close this. Okay. Now let us test this thing. So this looks better. We can check out some other things. New lines. Let us test this thing. This looks nice. This is the older wallpaper from AntiX, I think the last version. And then we can check out the dark city. This is good one. We can have what is the blue line slide. Let us test this thing. This is also looking very nice. Okay. Pretty pink. Let us try this out. This also looks very nice. We can check out the flag thing. This is also very nice looking. So I think I will keep with these blue lines. This looks very nice to me. I will keep this and then I will apply it. Okay. So that's it. I will close this. Don't know why it is not closing. Okay. What I should close is I should close the login manager. Okay. So this is the functionality of login manager here. You can see it. And also you can change the background also. So the background wallpaper or whatever you can say, you can change that also. So you can go with this. And if you change the theme, automatically the background will also change according to the theme. So that's it for the login manager features and function. So I will now stop the video here. See you in the next video with some other functionality feature of AntiX Linux. Bye bye.